Foreclosure rates are exploding in Florida right now. As a matter of fact, unfortunately, Osceola County is the number one county in the nation for foreclosures. But before you think that we're headed for a 2008 real estate market, let me tell you exactly what's happening. Here's the truth of the matter. Most of these homes are not linked to bad lending practices. It's an affordability issue. It's the pressure of an increase in insurance, HOAs, taxes, inflation, job loss, divorce. All of these things are the perfect storm for foreclosures. In Central Florida, we're seeing a rise of pre-foreclosures and not actually bank takeovers, which is actually the silver lining, because that means that there's still time. So if you are in a position where you are experiencing the pressures of affordability, my team and I are here to help. Don't ignore it, okay? Give me a call. My team and I are here to help. Let us walk you through your different options and alternatives before the bank does. And if you are a buyer looking for a good deal, let us walk you through that process also, so you're not stuck with a money pit. Comment help below or click the link in my bio, and let's set up a strategy session and get you on your way to freedom.